Hey, what's up guys? This is a Crypto Ninja coming to you live from Tropical Paradise. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe, guys. That really supports the channel. It really helps my channel grow just by you guys subscribing and liking the video. It's 100% free, so please do not forget to do that. Now without further ado guys, I'm going to be talking about big trout today. It looks like it's forming a cup and handle pattern, okay? We all know what that means, guys. It's going to go much, much higher. This is my crypto quant, okay? He's saying it's going higher. Guys, it's going higher, okay? This guy's usually always right. All right, so getting back over the trading signals, guys, this thing is on fire. It's printing every day, guys. Like, this bot does not care, like, if it's a bear market, a bull market, if the market's going sideways. It doesn't care, guys. This thing is going crazy. It's got two back-to-back 23x, 24x, and a handful of other calls. Just printing like crazy, guys. This is a no-brainer deal, guys. This thing is super affordable. Okay, you can see right here, you can be early to the next play. You can start printing regardless of the market, guys. We print every day in this group, okay? And my members are loving it. We have about 10 members in there just piling in. They absolutely love it, okay? Now, the pricing is very, very affordable, guys, okay? Most people go for the 99. I do have some spots left for the 500 for lifetime, okay? Most people, they just try it out for like a month or a week, and then they just upgrade to the lifetime because it's a no-brainer, guys, and I keep showing receipts every day. So yeah, check all the links below, guys. Let's start printing. There's plenty of money to be made, okay, regardless of the market taking a hot dump every single day. We don't care. Yeah, look at Bitcoin. Woohoo, 0.01. I don't even care what Bitcoin does, guys. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. It doesn't matter what Solana does, okay? We print regardless, okay? Also, make sure you're following RunnerBot, okay? There's some people piling in over there, but I'm showing like results every day, guys. Look at this. Results. Okay, every day, guys. This is every day. This is normal. We're always winning, guys. So, yeah, check all the links below, guys. I want to see you guys in there. Let's start printing. I know there's a lot of people that are on the fence. There's a lot of people that are losing money. They're trying to do it for free. You know, going up on crypto Twitter and try to get a KOL to give them some hot tip when they just dump on you. It's not going to work like that. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. See you at the top.